Alright, welcome back. This is part 3. We're going to start cleaning up the parts. I'm going to start by cleaning the tires and the hopper and the impeller. I'll just wash it in a wash tub and then we'll see if we can do some final finishing on it. I'll be right back. Alright, just got back from the big wash tub. Those things are drying out. Thought I'd take a look at this gearbox, take it apart, see what's inside. Before I take this impeller off, you might be wondering, what are those holes at the bottom of the impeller? You think that's kind of odd? Put any material, it's just going to drip down through there. But I bet you what it is, these are a place for water to go. So after you wash your unit, or if it's been sitting out and gets water down on the impeller, it needs to have somewhere to go. What you don't want is to have the fertilizer land into a pool of water and end up with just big clumps being shot out initially. That's my guess anyway. Well, it's pretty easy to get open. It's nice to see. It's nice and greased up. It's all metal gear. All metal gear. At the bottom of the hopper, there's what's called a hopper bushing. It's held in by this E-ring. It's pretty rusted out, so I'm going to replace that. You can tell the hopper is pretty oxidized, pretty faded. So I have some of this Clean and Shine protectant. It looks like it works pretty good on black plastic. So I'm going to give that a try and we'll see what it looks like. Now that's more like it. Alright, now I'm going to start working on cleaning up these metal parts. There's really not that many of them. This is my Harbor Freight sandblasting cabinet. Works pretty darn good. I got it running off of my 30-gallon Craftsman air compressor. So here's a typical part, and I ran it through the sandblaster, and then I buffed it up on a wire wheel, and looks pretty darn good. Well, all the parts cleaned up pretty well, I think. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.